Welcome back, YouTube family. It's been way too long since I've been able to sit here in front of you and produce some content. I really enjoy the experience, so I'm back at it again to showcase some of the new updates that's happened in my life. Fast forward 5 or 6 months from the last video I posted. After telling the road, I became a licensed local realtor. Where did that even take me? To the moon. To the moon, I'll tell you. But I don't really want to get too much into that. I want to talk about something different. I recently became a senior at Chico State University and found my way into a class that allows students to showcase some of the skill sets that they've gathered over the 4 years of college. So, my co-founders and I have decided on our idea, Fresh Haven. We have entered the laundry detergent industry, but with a new twist. Our concentrated cleaning formula allows you to clean your clothes and not have to worry about polluting our environment, keeping Earth at the forefront of our minds. Our plant-based product allows you to clean your clothes without parabens or chemicals affecting the pH of your skin or your clothing. This convenient new method allows you to have an eco-conscious opportunity as you do a normal chore in our day-to-day lifestyles. Everyone needs clean clothes, but not everyone is keeping the plastic pollution problem in the back of their minds. After conducting research, we've realized 14.5 billion tons of single-use plastics enter our ecosystem every single year. 1 billion jugs of that is from laundry detergent alone. The problem speaks for itself. The solution is Fresh Haven. We offer 100% compostable packaging, even down to algae ink to brand it all. So this is a new exciting technology for you to be able to clean your clothes and still care about the environment. Think clean, live green, and join the Fresh Haven team and follow along the journey as we tackle this big problem at our hands and change the laundry game forever.